student, currently taking computer science and software engineering, and this is about Python programming. So right here there are a couple different websites you can use. There's Visual Studio Code and there's GitHub Desktop. However, there is some other applications you can use. I currently have a virtual machine, essentially a computer inside of a computer. Right here I have GitKraken Desktop and also Visual Code Studio right here. I prefer GitKraken Desktop, so this is what I'm going to be showing. Now here's some of the stuff we have been programming. One is the weather program. Here it basically takes a random weather effect when I run it. Basically sunny, rainy, cloudy, all the different effects that I put in. And it has a multiplier right here that determines how dangerous this weather could be. And another one for adjusting the timer. After giving me some text, I can decide what speed limit to put it around and how early I have to be. Currently snowy, so I have to get up an extra 30 minutes. If it was raining, it would do something around 15. Right here is the welcome branch. Right here it just doesn't do much other than gives me some printing code. Right here it gives a couple dots as it's pretending to load. Does about 20 of these before finally giving the final results. Access granted. As you can see here, this is where the 20 integers come in. Some of the other code right here. Finally, the gasoline branch. This one, when run, scans the gas tank for how much is left. Currently 3%, that's not good. So it determines a couple other gas stations, how far they are, prices, open or closed, and if it has snacks. So that's just a little important. Right here it determines the closest and the cheapest. Also sending a reminder to get fuel. I don't think you're going to need a reminder at 3%. And here's the alternate version. If the gas is high enough, right now 88%, it'll determine that we don't need to stop for any gas. Now, with all of these, we can merge them together. This is what the beta test dev is for. As if you're an actual programmer and you want to develop all this before giving out to your consumers, let's say, you need to merge them. And this is a very good place to merge it, as you can test for bugs and errors that typically come with merging them. Scroll down, you can see main branch, the gasoline down here, and we just skipped over the weather right here. And after you do all that, you can merge it into the main branch. Right here, it's labeled a different branch, and this would be considered getting out to the consumers. One last thing is I'm about to talk about GitHub. It's the main website where you can publish your code and people can see it. If you set it publicly, you can push and pull it. This also allows you to get information from GitKraken to GitHub Desktop. If you prefer to jump between them, or if you like to work at home or there, you can push it up to the cloud, or you can download it from the cloud, depending on where you originated it from. Here on GitHub, this is where the information that we pushed up into the cloud can be seen. This is what we left as the title. This is where I pushed it, and this is where it all is. As you saw, main, weather, and the gasoline way down there. Final over here is a good management page, Trello. You can put all these different checklists of what you need to do. I can add another one and add a task to it, which we can consider done. One last thing is you can use AI to help you with coding, as when you code, not everything works, as code is not the easiest thing. However, AI can definitely point out different areas of where you might have messed up, or give you ideas on how to begin coding. Thank you very much, and I hope you all have a very wonderful afternoon.